what is background repeat property? Well, with background repeat property, we can control repetition of our background image. By default, if our image is not big enough to cover a complete area of our background, that image will repeat until complete area is covered. So it looks like this. With background repeat CSS property, we can control this default behavior, so we can set no repeat, and we will not allow repetition of our background image. Also, we can control repetition of our background image on specific axes. For example, we can set background repeat X, which means that we allow repetition of our background image just on X axis. And we can set repeat Y, which means that we allow repetition of our background image on Y axis. Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, for this part, I already prepared simple HTML document with background image property, and like a background image, I have set a background that we previously used. Our background image will be set for complete body. So let's check how our web page looks like. Okay, this is our web page. So as you can see, our background image is repeating inside of our web page. Okay, this default behavior we can change with background repeat CSS property, and like value, let's set no repeat. So let's save the change. Let's go back in our web browser. Let's refresh our page. So as you can see, now our background image is not repeating. Okay, we can control this furthermore, so we can set for our background repeat CSS property that we allow repetition on X axis. So let's replace no repeat with repeat X. Let's save this. Let's go back in our web browser. So as you can see, now we allow repetition of our image on X axis. Of course, instead of X, we can use Y. So let's save this. Let's refresh our page. So as you can see, now we allow repetition of our image on Y axis. Okay, so this is how we can use background repeat CSS property to control repetition of our background image. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.